Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in this video today I'm going to discuss about Active Directory AD objects and Active Directory attributes. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel and if you have not subscribed yet my channel IT Parivar, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So let me jump on my domain controller. This is my domain controller. This is my Active Directory server. Here I am going to open Active Directory users and computers. Okay, this is my domain name. Here you can see itparivar.lan. I have one OU here, IT team, and under this OU there is one user, that is test. Okay, so the user have, in the properties few value defines. Okay, those values will be the attributes. Okay, so this will be AD objects like user, security groups, and OUs. All these OUs, like here you can see computers, domain controller, HR team, IT team, whatever you have created here, OUs. Okay, and users, all those OUs, computers, users, and security groups will be the AD objects. Okay, and these objects have few values. That values will be the AD attributes. Okay, those value will be like, just go to properties, right click and go to properties. Before going to properties, make sure you have selected advanced feature. So once you will open the Active Directory users and computers, click to view option and select advanced feature option. Okay, then go to user, right click, go to user, computer or OU, and then go to properties. Here you will see attribute editor option. Okay, so you will see here these are few values for the attributes. Here you can see attribute and here values, like you can see account expiration. Here it is showing never. Okay, so this is the value for this AD object. Okay, never, account expire never. In same way, all these values are the attributes for these AD objects. In same way, for the OUs, for the security groups, for the computers, or you can say for the AD objects, right? The attribute value will be like this. Okay, you can see here distinguish name, CN is equal to test, OU is equal to IT team. You can see this is under IT team, OU, that user, test user. DC is equal to IT Parivar, DC is equal to com. Okay, sorry, LAN. One thing I want to show you, here you can see account expiration value is never. Let me go here, go to general option and go to account. You can see account expire, here it is set as never. Okay, so whatever the values will be set here, that will be get updated here in the attributes, or whatever the value we will update here, that will be reflected to the user accounts, to the users. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay, and if you want, one more thing I want to let you know, if you want to modify, you can just click to select attributes and click to edit option, and you can set here the values. Okay, so in this way you can modify the attributes, you can view the attributes, and you can change attribute value. Thanks for watching IT Parivar.